Well, you might be saying, hold on a second. Whoop, that was me. You might be saying, hold on a second. At the last premiere that we just did for Carmen's Singer 401A, that's going to be given to her daughter, Scott said the next premiere that we see is going to be down in Oklahoma. Well, I thought I would wait until then, but I decided that with the guys and I kind of being split a little bit for a week, and we're so used to being together, that I would go ahead and play a little bit of music for them, and I might as well share it with you at the same time. I play what I call kind of a spiritual impressionism. It's just very soothing, calming type music, both for me and for the guys, and hopefully for you as well. And I play it all by ear. I started this way, way back when. I did it all the way through college, and it was just kind of my respite amid studies and everything, where I would break away and sneak into the music rooms and just play the piano and just enjoy it. And I guess it's not horribly awful, because I was even told back then by some music majors that they really, really liked my style of music. So hopefully you enjoy it as well. And the next premiere you see after this one will be in Oklahoma. Here we go. Now just the black keys. It's amazing the harmonic you can get just from black keys. Here we go. This is Dr. Singer's favorite, by the way. Well, there you have it. Just a little bit of music as a send-off as I get ready for this trip down to Tulsa, Oklahoma. And the next premiere will be down there. Lord willing, and the creek don't rise, as my grandpa used to say. So take care, be safe, and if you start feeling anxious about something, you can always spin back to this premiere and enjoy a little bit of solitary, calming music. I hope it was calming. So God bless. Stay tuned for other premieres like this, which will be in Tulsa, Oklahoma. All right.